the Qualcomm team. Welcome to our Connected Smart Home, and specifically welcome to the kids' bedroom. In this case, my imaginary son Bobby will be walking through a day in the life with him today. So besides the fact that there's 12 people in a kid's bedroom and Bobby isn't actually here, is there anything else amiss in the room? Do you guys notice anything?
Not yet.
Jump out? Yeah, kids missing for sure, but I was actually thinking more about the fact that we've clearly had a power outage, right? You guys see the clocks in the room? They're all blinking midnight. So we need to fix that. So hopefully what you learned in the first room is that AllJoyn is a set of standardized interfaces. And one of them we have predefined is the clock interface. So I'm able to actually discover all three of the clock interfaces in this room, the one by the desk, the one on the TV display, and then the wall clock over there. And I can, using my AllJoyn On dashboard application, discover all three of the existing clock interfaces in the room, and I could do this throughout the house, any clock interface that was proximal. And with one click, I can reset the time on all of them. So you notice that we're now looking at local time on all of them. So in about 20 seconds, we're going to wake Bobby up, and we're going to get our day started. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't have the easiest time getting my kids out of bed. Frankly, I'm not a morning person myself, but you'll see that a bunch of the different things react to the alarm event. So this is basically a wake-up AllJoyn event that will be issued, and multiple things in the room will react.
Good morning. Good morning.
So you see that the lamp went on next to the bed, Teddy Bear had a nice greeting for Bobby in the morning, and the Wi-Fi enabled LED light bulbs on the wall came up in a sunrise sequence. So that gives you a little flavor for how you might be able to make your morning routine a little bit easier with Bobby, a little bit more pleasant. So now that Bobby is awake, it is time to ship him off to school. So send him to school for the day. A few hours later, he of course will come home. He's tired, but that didn't stop him from inviting a play date over because he wanted to have a buddy come and play. So what would any good parent do in this situation when we've got two tired young boys at the end of the school day? I'm going to plop them in front of the television. All right, so we're going to sit them down right here, and they get to play this AllJoyn-enabled game. Now, AllJoyn has actually been open sourced for almost 4 years, and the original set of use cases that we focused on were peer-to-peer applications. So for all of you app developers that are in the audience, it's very important that you understand that AllJoyn is not just for manufacturers of devices and things, but also for application experiences. So this is a demonstration app that Disney Interactive did. It's called Nemo's Playground, and it enables a rich multi-screen, multi-user game where the tablets and the display can interact, so the characters move back and forth between the different displays. So after a while, Bobby and his buddy get tired of playing the game. We send his friend home. I have a nice dinner with my son. And then, of course, it's time to do the other difficult part of the day, and that's getting Bobby back to bed. So if you thought the morning routine was tough, but the evening routine, of course, is not any easier. But in the evening, it doesn't actually make sense to set an alarm to put Bobby to bed. So instead, we're going to take advantage of this dumb lamp right here. And it's actually connected to a smart plug. So I can use, again, my dashboard application that shows me all of the AllJoyn-enabled devices in the room. And I can select the smart plug, and it actually has two very simple functions, on and off. So I'm going to go ahead and initiate the bedtime sequence by turning that lamp off. And you'll see that the light bulbs went into bedtime mode, and the teddy bear had his final word on the evening. So good night, Bobby. Now, if only it were that simple, right? I mean, what are the chances that Bobby is actually going to just go to sleep because the teddy bear said good night? So it turns out that we are in, as you know, a connected smart home. There's lots of technology lying around. Not just this tablet that I might take with me to the media room, or maybe I'll go back and have a glass of wine with Matt. But Bobby has some other ideas back here. He actually has snuck his tablet behind the bed here. And I will show you what's going to happen when he makes a little mischief. But before I do that, I actually want to draw your attention to another piece of Qualcomm technology in the room, and that is the Qualcomm Smart Gateway up here. So This is the Qualcomm Internet Processor. We've basically taken all of Qualcomm's mobile mobile processing power and put it onto a home gateway. So it's capable of hosting applications and services. So one of which, of course, is AllJoyn. But another one that I want to draw your attention to is from our Qualcomm Atheros division. And that is called Qualcomm Stream Boost. So as you may gather from the name, Stream Boost actually detects and monitors all of the traffic going across your local network and effectively optimizes it. So it makes sure that even if you're doing a bandwidth-heavy application like streaming Netflix video in your living room, that's not going to impact the user experience of your husband or your wife who's checking email in the bedroom. So Stream Boost is keeping track of all these different things that are happening on your home network. So the combination of Stream Boost plus AllJoyn enables some pretty cool activities. So let me give you an example of that. So we go back over here. Bobby's got his tablet in bed with him. He fires up his browser, decides he wants to play a video, and you'll see what happens as the network detects that there's some after-hours traffic when there shouldn't be. You'll see that Stream Boost has detected the traffic, and a notification shows up on the TV display saying, Bobby is watching YouTube. So if I'm in the media room, or I'm in the kitchen, or actually in this case, I also have my Qualcomm Talk smartwatch, and you'll see that I received a notification saying, Bobby is watching YouTube. So this gives a new meaning to the term, oh, can you see it? A new meaning to the term parental control. Maybe not so good for Bobby, but helpful for me as a parent to make sure that my son's getting enough rest. Now, one thing I want to emphasize is all of the third-party products in this room, none of those manufacturers work together to make these experiences happen, because they're all using the same AllJoyn implementation, effectively guarantees interoperability, and magical things just happen.